Hey guys, we're back this week. I'm Scott and here with Christina.
Hi guys, how are y'all?
So, question number one. Okay. There's been a lot of talk lately about interest rates, home prices, inventory levels. From your perspective, what are the biggest trends you're seeing in Northeast Florida market right now?
I brought a lot of trends that we're seeing right now because spring has sprung. We're actually hitting our stride with our busy time of year. And so what we're seeing are increased inventory. We're seeing prices starting to stabilize out. Our market has been slower than what people have seen in the past. So everybody's freaking out a little bit about the slower market. But what that means is that we're stabilizing out. So since home prices are stabilizing and inventory is increasing, it is taking a little bit more time to sell your home. And so what does that mean? You need to price it right to begin with. You shouldn't try to compete or push the market like you were previously or in previous years. Now, I have a question for you.
Okay.
On the lending side, what are you seeing any shifts in the buyer's behavior or loan activity in response to the current market conditions?
Yes. So we were seeing applications pick up, and we talked about that over the past couple of weeks. We've seen applications pick up. We've seen a lot of people going into contract. But then what happened about 2 weeks ago? We saw interest rates jump between 0.5 point to 0.75 of a point. And so over the past week and a half, we've seen the applications kind of slow back down. So I feel like right when we're getting close to that 7% interest rate, people start to kind of just slow back down. So, once we can get back to low mid sixes, I think we'll see things start to pick up again.
Yeah.
So.
Well, and what we always see, our buyers are waiting for the perfect interest rate.
Right.
Is there a perfect interest rate?
Well, so the forecast for this year, next year is conventional loan interest rates are going to be, low to mid sixes. So this is like our new environment that we're in. So the people that are waiting for rates to get back in the 3s and 4s, it's not going to happen.
Yeah.
So, if you're looking to purchase, now's still a great time. There's a lot of really good programs that we talked about, the 2-1 buy down,
right,
and then permanent interest rate buy downs as well.
Well, I think people forget that the interest rates were that low to begin with because we were coming out of such a volatile market way in 2008, 2009, 2010, and they were trying to spark people to get back out there and start purchasing properties. And we're just not going to see interest rates fall to that account. What advice should we be giving buyers and sellers who are unsure whether it's the right time to buy?
So kind of what we touched on is, people are very rate and payment conscious.
Yeah.
So it's really trying to find a program that works for that particular buyer to where we can get the payment at a comfortable level for them.
Okay.
Sometimes they have to maybe just realize that maybe the price point, they need to kind of curve back a little bit and go to a lower price point. But there's still a lot of really good programs that are available for them.
Programs and interest rates, and sometimes all your wants in a property might not be your must-have. So if you're a buyer looking right now, so think about location, because you can't change location on a home once you purchase it. So that should be your must-have when you're going to look for a property, and making sure that it's in a location that you want to be, because you can change a lot of things about a property once you get into the home, whether it's carpet or has fence or has a pool. All those things can be worked with in the long run, but you got to love your location.
Yep.
All right, well, we'll see you guys again in the next couple of weeks.